Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another video. Today we will discuss how to connect your website to Pinterest account as a verified owner. So for that you need a Pinterest account and a website or a blog. So let's start the video. First we need to go on the Pinterest account homepage or profile. So here is a profile. From this we will move to edit profile, and here you can see claimed accounts. In claimed accounts, there are two options. One is websites and one is Instagram account. So we will click on website claim. Here the interface shows three options. If you want to add HTML tags, then copy this code. If you want to upload HTML file, then you can download it and upload it to the root directory of your website. And the third one is add text record, which is this one. So we will add this HTML tag in the HTML of a website theme. So click to copy. Then we will move to template, edit template. So here we will paste this under the head tag of the website. Here you can see the head tag. This shows that a head tag is closed. We will paste the code under this line. So the code is successfully pasted. Then we will save the change. Hopefully the change is saved successfully. So we will check on the Pinterest account. So after pasting the code, we will click on continue. And here it says that copy the link of a website of your website and verify it. So we will copy the link homepage link from the website and paste it here. So the link is pasted. Now we will verify it. So here you can see the website is successfully connected and claimed to the Pinterest account. And now this declares the owner of website as a verified owner. So we will at last click on done. So that's all for today's video. We will inshallah meet in next video. Till then, goodbye.